How to fix Binance verification failed. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will see how we can fix Binance verification failed issue. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you must be logged into Binance. After that, if you have any issue during verification, now in order to verify your account, what you have to do is tap on the Binance icon at the top left. Once you land here, tap on your profile name and here it says verifications. So if your account is not verified yet, tap on it. Now you have to verify your account. You have to provide all your accurate personal information such as your full name, date of birth and address. They should exactly match those on your government issued document details. And make sure to use high quality document images. Capture clear, high resolution photos of your ID document and ensure all the text is legible and avoid any blurriness or glare. So for the selfie verification, make sure you take your selfie in the well-lit environment to ensure your face is clearly visible. You can use a plain or dark background to enhance contrast and remove accessories like hats or glasses that might obscure your face. Also remember to enable two-factor authentication. Before initiating the verification process, activate SMS-based two-factor authentication on your Binance account, which adds the extra layer of security and is often a prerequisite for the verification. So here you can proceed with the document verification. Select your document type and make sure to provide all the legible and accurate information so that you don't have any issue during the verification. And still if you are getting the error, then there might be some problem within the application. So for that you can clear the cache of the application. Head towards the app info page. So for that you have to head towards the application and tap and hold on the application. And here tap on app info. Once you land on app info, here tap on storage and cache. And now clear cache. Once you do that, you can refresh your application and proceed to verification again. So this might help you fix Binance verification failed issue, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.